So we're going to create this layout for step 2. So here we have the main floor plan in a viewport at a scale 1 to 50. So we did ours 175, but we can also do this at 150, but we just have to rearrange and resize our viewport. And then we have a detail of the washroom plan at scale 1 to 20 and the other washroom at scale 1 to 30. So 1 to 20 and 1 to 30. Okay, so for us to do that, we can select the viewport and maybe resize this, make it a little bigger. Okay. And likewise, maybe simply attach this to make it bigger. And by doing that, we have more space to create our viewport. Okay, so here, double clicking inside this viewport, we can now set this to scale 1 to 50. Okay, it's a little tight for our dimension though. That's why I think I'll be sticking with 1 to 75. Different paper or printer allows us to print in a it gives us more space. So depending on your page setup, we don't have the large format printer now. I'm just using the Adobe PDF. So I'm limited to what paper size, supposedly the same, Adobe PDF provides. Okay. So I think I'll stick with 1 to 75. But this one, I can make it 1 to 20, which I have now. And this one, I will do the 1 to 30. Now, when you are going to add your dimension, first thing you want to do is you want to set up your scale. What scale are you going to print at? So it doesn't become too confusing changing scales, especially if you're going to use the annotative dimension, annotative text, annotative hatch. Okay. Now, once you have set this up, you can now lock it so it doesn't move anymore. And to access this area, you can either go to the model tab, do your drawing here, or from here, you have this maximize viewport option. So you're like within the model tab, and then you can always go back and minimize the viewport. Okay. So you're not anymore changing the layout. So lock this and likewise lock this. Okay, now that we've done that, the next thing we need to do is to bring in our dimensions style.